How to register your phone number on WhatsApp. So let's get started. Tap the WhatsApp icon on your phone to open the app. If it's your first time using, you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Here, choose your country from the drop down so WhatsApp knows the correct country code. Now, type your full phone number without the country code. It will add it automatically. Tap Next or Done. WhatsApp will confirm the number you entered. Then you will receive a 6-digit verification code on your SMS. Enter the code in WhatsApp. Once the code is verified, your number is registered and you can set up your profile. Make sure you have access to the phone number to receive the verification SMS or call. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.